Hey, Math Foundation students, Mr. Van here. In After class in my period one Math Foundations class, I actually put together a Desmos calculator for calculating compound interest to kind of help simplify things. I already showed this to the period four class, but I wanted to make sure that everybody got this. So I've included a link under the assignment called Compound Interest Calculator, and this video is just to show you how to use it. So let's say we had a situation where we had $3,000 invested at 5.5% compounded annually for 3 years. Well, that's what I have here. When you go to the link for the calculator, all of this stuff here should be here, and all you have to do is change the numbers for P, which is your principal amount, which I said was $3,000, and R, which is your rate, as a decimal. You could also write your rate as like 5.5% over 100. And then N is the number of times it's compounded annually. So if you just say it's compounded annually, that's compounded once a year. If you say quarterly, that's 4 times a year. Monthly would be 12, and so on. And then time, T, is the number of years. And then you'll see down here in this very last box the equation that we went over in class. And your solution then is that number right there. So all you got to do is change your principal number to match the problem, and the rate and the number of times it's being compounded, along with the total time in years, to get your answer. If you have any questions about this, please let me know.